MEM School of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, online classes, subject mechatronics, unit number 5, case studies. So last class we discussed about 2 case studies, that is wireless pick and place robot and engine management system. Okay, these two are dependent on the microcontroller and the processors. Okay, now we are going to see about the PLC case studies. Okay, already we in unit 4 we discussed about programmable logic devices. That is programmable logic circuits. Okay, so that we are going to implement the some application using the PLC. Okay, let's see the case study. That is automatic car park barrier system. That means in most of the countries they have automatic car park barrier system. Okay, they are fitting for they are rent the places for traffic process. Okay, if you put 100 rupees for in a parking system, so it will calculate the all the barrier system. If you when go for the some other barrier means some other land means it will be product by the some barriers. Okay, that is total. If we in a car parking system, if we have 8 LAN means the total LAN will be connected with a common PLC controller. That means the whole number of actuators, that is motors, are connected with a common PLC. Okay, that concept we are going to discuss in this chapter. So this is the PLC based automatic car park barrier system. So consists of the following main components, that is batteries, barriers, electric actuators, that is solenoid valve and the limit switches. So hydraulic actuators, single acting cylinder, and a PLC. Okay, these are the concept. So first one, barriers. So there are 2 types of barriers: in barrier and out barrier. Okay, in barrier and out barrier. So in barrier, it is located at the entry of the car park and is used to allow the car in the opening when the correct money or coin is inserted in the cash box. So it is pivoted at one end and controlled with 2 solenoid valves, A and B, which are associated with a cylinder piston assembly. A connecting rod connects the pistons and the barrier as shown in the figure. So that is in the figure. We have cylinders, pistons, solenoid valve A and solenoid B, and the upper limit switch and the barrier and pivot connections are fixed in this concept. So it is located at the exit of the car park and is opened to the let the car go, and when the car is detected in front of it. It has similar arrangements of solenoids and the limit switches as that of the in barrier. So next concept is solenoid and the limit switches. So there are two solenoid valves A and B as mentioned above. So which are used to move the piston upwards for opening and downwards for closing of the barrier. So there are 2 limit switches. One is placed at the top of the edge and the other is placed at the bottom edge of the barrier. So detect the position of the in barrier and the out barrier. So when the current flows through the solenoid A, the piston in the cylindrical extends to move upward and causes the barrier to rotate above its pivot and thus barrier. So allows the car inside. So when the current flow through the solenoid A,